Welcome back to Testing the Internet series. You're watching Part 9, Dynamic Controls. In the last video, you learned how to automate the process of handling dynamic content with the strategy editor in Leapwork. In this video, you'll learn how to handle controls being added or removed from the DOM, something that may seem simple, like a disappearing button or a delayed checkbox. Have you faced issues like buttons that only appear after a delay, checkboxes that vanish after clicking, or UI elements randomly being added or removed? These challenges often happen because the DOM changes dynamically. Elements load or unload at different times. What if Leapwork could simplify all of this? We'll walk you through a simple scenario that shows how Leapwork makes handling dynamic controls easy, visual, and completely code-free. In this particular test case, you click the Remove button, and then the page will after a while remove the checkbox control. So the scenario here is to first click the button, and then after a while, make sure that the checkbox is gone. Let's begin by creating an automation flow in Leapwork Studio. Let's open the test case page using the Start Recorder. We'll capture the Remove button and choose Click Web Element. This action tells Leapwork to click the button, just like a real user would. You'll see 4 click options: left, right, double right. Let's go with left for this step. You can choose the click type based on what's needed, then simply click the Apply button to confirm. Since the checkbox disappears after clicking the Remove button, we'll refresh the page to capture it, as we need to verify its presence. We'll capture the checkbox again and use Find Web Element to locate it, even if it's no longer visible right away. That's it. Go ahead and save and close the recorder. Now we will expand the block and select the Await Not Found option. This tells Leapwork to first locate the element, then keep checking the DOM until the element is no longer present. The connector won't proceed until the element is actually removed. Now, if the checkbox is completely removed and not found, we will pass the test case. Let's arrange the blocks. We're ready to run our flow. And yes, our test case ran as expected. First, the button was successfully clicked using the Click Web Element block. Then, Leapwork attempted to locate the target web element using the Find Web Element block. But it wasn't found within the 10-second timeout window. The flow continued and marked the test as passed. This shows how Leapwork can gracefully handle conditions where certain elements may or may not appear. Let's quickly recap the dynamic controls automation scenario. We started by launching the page and clicking the Remove button to remove the checkbox. Since these changes don't happen instantly, we used the Find Web Element block to wait for the checkbox to disappear. Once the element was detected missing, we marked the test case as passed based on the expected outcome. What you learned? You learned how to handle UI elements that appear or disappear dynamically by building robust flows that can wait intelligently and validate outcomes accurately. With Leapwork, even the most unpredictable UI changes become testable with confidence. Give this exercise a try yourself and see how much faster your automation can be. Moreover, to keep learning, or if you ever feel stuck, explore our documentation, knowledge base, and reach out to support if needed. The answers are just a click away. Thank you for staying with us, and see you in the next automation journey.